Hello class R. I just read this story to Fred and he loved it. If you've not heard it already, you can find my video somewhere on this channel. It's Dear Dinosaur. And when we read it, Fred had a super idea because in the story, the little boy Max writes lots of letters to the T-Rex that lives at the museum. He finds out lots about him and he asks the question, what's your favourite bath toy? And the T-Rex replies that he's never had a bath. And so for his birthday, Max was very kind and he sent him a rubber duck and he loved it. So Fred, yes you did, didn't you? You asked me, do you think Rex has ever had a bath? And we weren't sure. So we've just decided to give Rex his very first bath. Do you think he likes it? And what did you give him, Fred? You're right, a rubber duck. That was his favourite bath toy. Which got Fred thinking, what did you want to do next, Fred? You wanted to write letters, like Max in the story? Oh, then we can find out more about Rex and what he likes and what he can do and what he might like to play. So, have you thought of something you might want to ask him? Right then, let's get started. How are you going to write your letter? You don't want to use tricky word too? Oh, you want to use dear, like in the story? All the questions and all the letters started with dear. Instead of Dear Dinosaur, we're going to say Dear Rex. Go on then, chop up dear. D. What's the D sound? Yes, you can use a capital if you like. D. D. Ear. Ear. Ear, ear. Here with your ear. We need the trigraph. E-A-R. Dear. D. Dear, who were we writing to again? Oh yeah, Rex. Dear Rex. It's his name, isn't it? So that's a big sound. Chop it up. X. Dear Rex. Right then, have you thought of a question for him? Go on then, write it down. Dear Rex. Can you, yes it is a tricky word, Fred, can you find it? Can you find it before Fred does? Tricky word, you. Y-O-U. Remember your finger space with your non-existent fingers. Y. Can you, what do you want to ask Fred? Can you, oh, he's got it. Nice finger space. J. Oh. I wonder what he's asking. Can you j? Oh. J. Oh. Jump. Was that it? Yes. You've written Dear Rex. Can you jump? Ah, but Fred, this is a question, so it needs a special kind of finish. This, there you go, is a question mark. Dear Rex, can you jump? Now to finish your letter, Fred, we want to know who it's from. Oh. From D. Ah, and a kiss. Dear Rex, can you jump? From Fred. I think you'll really like that letter, Fred. What's that? You want to know if the children can write letters to Rex? I bet they can. And you want them maybe to ask their grown-ups if they can send them to us? And then we could read them to Rex. I think he'd love that. I think you'd like that too, wouldn't you? Right then, see if you can find the time to write a letter to Rex and see if your grown-up can send it to us and we can find out whatever you want to know about Rex. Oh, Fred says bye.